Assalamu alaikum. The situation in Tirah Valley has led to displacement of thousands of families with over 70,000 people, mostly women and children, fleeing their homes due to fears of military operations against militants. The exodus began after the mosque loudspeaker urged residents to leave Tirah by January 23 to avoid potential fighting. The displacement is attributed to the presence of Tehrik-i-Taliban Pakistan (TTP) fighters in the area who have been using the valley as a base for their activities. The TTP has been involved since Taliban returned to power in Afghanistan in 2021, and many of leaders and fighters have found sanctuary in Afghanistan. The government has denied plans for military operations in Tirah Valley, with Defense Minister ھوجایے hypocrite stating that the migration is a routine practice due to harsh weather conditions. However, the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government has expressed concern about the situation, with Chief Minister Afridi criticizing the federal government's handling of the issue. Displaced people are facing several hardships with limited access of food, shelter, and medical facilities. The Pakistan Red Crescent Society (PRCS) and the companion of PTM providing assistance to the affected families, but more support is needed to address the growing humanitarian crisis. The situation in Tirah Valley has exposed tension between the federal and the provincial governments, with both sides trading blame over the handling of crisis. The federal government maintains that only small-scale intelligence-based operations are underway, while the provincial government rejects this claim. The government has assured that security measures are in place to protect the displaced people, and intelligence-based operations are being conducted to target militants in the area. The situation in Tirah Valley is complex and multifaceted, with a humanitarian, security, and political dimension. The government needs to take a comprehensive approach to address the crisis, ensuring that the safe return of displaced people and tackling the root causes of militancy in the region. دلته کې موږ تاسو په انګلش کې سم بیان کړو. مرا دا نن سبا ټول ماشاءالله پښتانه هم مرا ډېر ایڈوانس لیول باندې روان دي چې څوک هم د سوشل میډیا استعمال کوي ویډیو خامخا در سره شیر کوي چې موږ تاسو بلکې اوس زمونږ وادي تیرا چې کومه ده هغه د نیشنل یعنی سوشل میډیا چې کومه ده هغه بالکل صفحه جوړه شوې ده، نو زیات نه زیات یې در سره شیر کوي چې دا ټوله دنیا ته د دې د منافقت پته ولګي چې دلته کې نه مړه اپریشن کېږي نه څه کېږي، بلکې دا یو منافقت دی چې ټوله دنیا ته پته ولګي. او د پښتانو نه ډېره ګیله ده چې موږ تاسو صرف شیرینګ هم نشي کولی، خامخا یې د سره شیر کوو چې دنیا ته پته ولګي چې دلته کې نه اپریشن نه طالبان نه څه شته دی، بس یو ګیم دی او د ډالرو ګیم دی چې دا موږ تاسو خامخا یې د سره شیر